Oh, I've got some beautiful fabrics for you. Monday. I just went through and picked beautiful fabrics. That's what I decided. There's no real theme, except I did want to make them coordinate. This, we're going to start with, this is 100% cotton. Now these are from a company called Height. It's H-A-I-G-H-T. And they are just beautiful, light. This is 100% cotton. It's a woven. You can see that green and navy together, which is so beautiful together. And so what I did is I just did some suggested patterns. You guys know you're creative. This would knot really well, so Mark's Twisted Blouse would be beautiful in this. A real combination of feminine and masculine. I thought that would be really pretty. And also 618, which is Bailey's top. Bailey's, it's got a cap in the back, which would be beautiful, flowing for this. So anyway, those two suggested. We put some green in here because this green would be great for a pair of slacks, and just any slacks. Just, this is a woven though, so it'd be like 3200 or your favorite slacks pattern. It's got a little bit of a crepe to it, but it's got great drape. It's a cotton poly and it's a woven. There's no stretch to it, but it's beautiful. It's great for drape. Then Dolce & Gabbana are having some sunflower pants. I love this sunflower, so these would be just adorable for spring, for summer, with a little white top or a little black top. 3414 is the pattern that you want to use. It's a gathered, gathered yoga. It's a woven yoga pant is what it is. But this is a poly cotton, beautiful fabric, great to drape. We did a solid black. It's going to go with this if you want, or I've been wanting to do 623, that drapey, big, beautiful sleeve in just a solid black with jeans. I've been dying to do that. This is 100% cotton. It's absolutely stunning, but in 623 Sam's blouse by itself would be beautiful. Or underneath, this is a black lace, beautiful. It has a little bit of stretch to it, but really has to be sewn as a woven, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but this can be cut away so that it can be a border. So this is like what I did with the white last week. It can be a black tank with the border at the bottom, or you could even do a kimono sleeve and cut this out so that the sleeve's on the bottom. This is a poly cotton blend, and then what you could do is put the black underneath for a little shell and just make them as one. You could do both of them as one piece and make them as one. And then this fabric is 100% cotton. It's got, I say 100%, it's got just a little bit of poly in it. Just beautiful. I don't even know what side is right. It's so pretty. It's one of those fabrics you just really want to take advantage of both sides, or possibly. So if you could do a jean jacket and flip all those pieces and just put them different directions and different ways, make a really pretty jacket. Where 1750 is meant to have both sides show and then just finish the edge, and that would be beautiful in this to make a little spring jacket. You could cut it off shorter if you wanted, but it'd just be gorgeous. So all these fabrics today, and all of them today only, are $14.99. They will go up, but today and tomorrow, I should say, they're $14.99. Just have fun. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.